welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with you and I have the Box of Style by Rachel Zoe, the spring edition, and it's all based on the California girl. So the box comes in white this time. It's very nice and refreshing for spring. And we open it up and here's what it looks like. Already you can kind of get the California vibe just from looking inside at the print on the tissue paper. The first thing we have is the Kopari Coconut Oil Lip Balm. I haven't heard of the brand Kopari until I actually got this edition of the box, but what I do know is it is a cruelty-free California-based company, so that's really cool. Also, non-GMO, vegan, silicone-free, paraben-free. I mean, hey, awesome. The next Kopari product we have is the Coconut Roast Toner. Refresh and Balance. Ooh, this is really cool. So again, all the same details as lip gloss. Non-GMO, silicone-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. I'm gonna give it a spray and see what it smells like. It smells so good, you guys. So here's the Kopari Coconut Oil Lip Gloss, and let's just give it a try. Oh. Wow, it's really soft, super lightweight. You get that hint of coconut. I don't know about you guys, but I've tried a lot of natural beauty type of things with coconut oil, so this definitely has the essence of that. So it does feel super light and super natural on your lips. I definitely love this. I think this is an awesome lip gloss. And lately I feel like gloss has just not really been in. We've been seeing a lot of matte lip products, so it's really great to kind of, you know, switch it up with the seasons and have a little touch of shine again. At least in my opinion. I've always loved lip gloss. I don't know about you guys, but the first accessory in the box. I have been dying to get these. I'm just so sick of my black and blue sunglasses. These are so fresh and awesome for spring. So the brand is Bonnie and Clyde. Oh, I love them. These are so good. These are so California. And I mean, they're right there with all that rose gold look going on. So they definitely fit right in with a spring wardrobe refresh. And they're just so solid. Like, although they are plastic, they feel so sturdy and like they're not gonna like move around on your face or anything like that. But anyway, these things are so stylish. I'm literally gonna wear them all the time. Love, love, love these sunglasses by Bonnie and Clyde. And I even have the case to put them in. So friggin' perfect. This piece is actually, I think, the necklace. This is the item in the box that you had your options. So silver or gold. I went with gold. I just love gold. I probably will always pick gold in most circumstances. So this is by Lily Clasp. Try to show you the bag here. It's a super cute double pendant necklace. Oh, this is such a nice chain. Let me show you guys. I want to get a little bit closer so you can see this here. So delicate and dainty. So this is how it looks. Absolutely to die for. I love this so much. There's been so many outfits lately where I'm just like, you know what would be the perfect necklace? The one in the spring box. So I'm really happy I have it now. The next thing in the box, which I am still a little bit on the fence about, is this accessory by Jen Atkin and Chloe and Isabel as a collaboration. It can go in your hair, it can wrap around your waist. It's a really versatile piece. But I'm really afraid that this is all suede, which is not really something I would buy. But we're gonna check it out anyway, and I'm gonna get a little bit further into the research about it because it is so beautiful. So here's one really cute way you can do it. And also I saw them tie it around your head. Give you a really beautiful boho vibe. I think it'd be really cute too. Maybe wrapped around a little, like a choker. I know a lot of people don't love chokers. I love them. I think they're awesome. I'm going to look through the details and I really hope that it's faux suede and not actual suede, but we'll see. Fingers crossed. And there's one more fantastic piece in here that I'm going to show you guys, but first I wanted to show you Arizona by Parenza Schooler. It's their new fragrance that they've launched recently. Let's see what it smells like. It's nice. It's really fresh. And for the grand finale, we have this Rachel Zoe design duster with this super awesome tropical palm print. I mean, I know this is a California-based box, but it really also reflects the lifestyle of Florida. So I am just absolutely loving it. Oh, wow, by first touch, it's like super soft. It is super, super nice. To get a little try on of this here. Oh, wow. So super lightweight, super cozy. Definitely feels like a really nice kind of like cover up to me. I think it'd be really cute too, like layered a little bit with like something over the top. Definitely could go over something for the night, something like a day dress or something like a skirt or denim shorts, just around the house. Whatever your style is and your mission is for the day. Show you guys here so you can sort of see it and see the length. I'm 5'5", so this is definitely on the longer side for me. But of course, when you put a heel of any kind on, you can kind of make it work. All I can smell now is Arizona. It's all good because it smells great. When we check out the guide of everything inside of the box, we'll go through the retail price again. Not that like it's super important, but I feel like it's good to know what things are worth, especially things of a nice quality. So the Pretty in Palm, which is the duster I'm wearing right now, retails at $150. The Sunglasses by Bonnie Clyde retails at $64. The Kopari Lip Love retails at $12. The Coconut Rose Toner retails at $24. The necklace, it retails at $115. So the boho head wrap, belt, choker, however you want to describe it, retails at $48. It doesn't really give me any details about it being faux suede or anything, so I'm guessing it is authentic suede. So other than that, I absolutely love everything. I'm going to be wearing all of it so much. And I'm really excited to be styling myself for spring break next week. I'm going with my daughter, who is only 5 by the way, but we're gonna go on a spring break vacay together. So I can just tell you right now, this is coming with me. So is everything else over there. All right guys, well as always, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Check me out on Instagram at I'm Brianna Rose. I try to keep my feed interesting and artistic and fun. As always, have a beautiful day, beautiful night. I'll see you next time.